Imagine this, a cold winter morning, you're ready for a warm shower, but instead, you're greeted with icy water. The culprit? A blinking status light on your Honeywell hot water heater. It's like a secret language, one that's not so secret once you crack the code. These blinking lights aren't just for show, they're coded messages from your water heater, each pattern telling a different tale of what could be going wrong. A single blink, for example, is a sign of pilot light issues. It's like your heater's way of saying, "Hey, check on my pilot light, will you?" Then, we have 2 blinks. This is a sign of a water temperature sensor malfunction. It's your heater's SOS sign that it needs a sensor checkup or maybe a replacement. 3 blinks, however, mean that there's a pressure switch or vent blockage issue. It's a clear call for you to check for any blockages and to test the pressure switch. And if you see 4 blinks, that's your heater telling you that the water temperature is too high. It's a sign to adjust your thermostat settings or consider replacing it. But what if the light is continuously blinking? Well, that's a signal of a system lockout or malfunction. It's your heater's way of saying, "I need a reset," or better yet, call a professional. But remember, safety first. Always turn off the power and gas supply before you start troubleshooting. And if these blinking patterns seem a bit too complex, don't worry. The manufacturer's manual is your best friend here. It's got all the information you need, but sometimes it's best to leave it to the professionals. They have the experience and know how to tackle complex issues. So the next time you see that blinking status light on your Honeywell hot water heater, remember it's not a random light show. It's a coded message, a sign of what's going on inside your heater. So, stay informed, crack the code, and keep your water heater running smoothly. Remember, a heater well taken care of ensures warm showers even on the chilliest of mornings.